If you are wondering if you can check the battery health of your Nintendo Switch 2, then the answer is unfortunately no. There is no dedicated option, setting, or menu, or any kind of information that could tell you how well is your battery doing. So if you want to check the state of your battery, the only thing that you can do is check the battery percentage, which of course is nothing like the battery health. But that's all we can do. So unfortunately, you can only guess how well your battery is doing after some time. For example, by the duration of how long the battery lasts on a single charge. And if you actually want to see the percentage of the battery, then you need to go to the system settings over here, go to system, and then you should be able to find system battery options. So of course we want to enable this option over here. When it's disabled, then of course there is no information about the battery, but you can use these two buttons, the ZL button and ZR button, in order to quickly display the battery percentage above the battery icon. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.